And just to let you note that, right, tea tree oil, and on the computer screen. And this is, there you go. Here's something that's been there for a while. You leave it soak in a little bit, it should take it off. Right, and there's my computer screen. Tea tree oil. Mother Nature did it all, my friends. Mother Nature did it all. Yeah, you need science, but Big Pharma, the creation and the manipulation of the mind of what you think you need, what they make you think you need, but you don't need. Thank you for watching this video.
But I want to continue and add on to the video, nature. The reality of nature, in between the possibility of a reaction between two elements, is all actually happening before anything was created. The hot, the cold, to the way we understand the hot and the cold. And then there was the implication of creator, whoever creator was, croter, if you want to say. In fact, the words we speak, creator, God, whatever those words are, they will tell us from where they actually came and what they're trying to tell us through calculations, mathematical understanding of words. Words, I don't even know how to tell you this, but more in layman terms, and I've been doing this over and over. One number, two numbers, three numbers, just because the fact that there's first, that there's second, and that there's third. But in between here and here is the halfway between here and here. This element owns all of this. This element owns all of this. And then there's down here. This one is equal to both of them on the move. But does it mix with both of them? In numbers 1, 3, and 5 on the roulette board are red. I want to say that's a sign that was sent to us. I also want to say that on the 5 card, there is also a number 3, and on the 8 card, there's also a number 3, as well as the 7 card has a number 3, and I'm going to just try and see if I can get out these 3s. It's formation. Here on the 8 card is 3 that are standing up this way and 5 that are this way. In the 8 card, the reality compared to the 5 card, or to show it to the, now somebody had to create these cards. If there was life before us, and I believe because there are so many systems that are cryptid or that are decrypted to show truth, and because of how can somebody be so smart at the age of 4, 5, 6, 10, knowing science better than anybody else? Because the element inside of us just knows from the system that created us before it was altered. Just knowing that you can have the most intelligent children in the world, right? That this that was created was told us to create this. The idea comes from somewhere else, and we were able to manipulate it until it became what we see as, let's call it the 10 card. This is not like the other 10 cards. These are diamonds. Diamonds are different. Doesn't matter which way I turn the card, they're all going in the same direction. Not like the heart card, where in the heart card you have 5 and 2. B and E, 5 and 2. Creation, connected to win a big red sun, 7 times 2, 7 plus 2, and the electronic world, E and C, 5 and 3, the 8 card. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 equals to 10 and 7, 17, minus equals to 3. 5 times 3, 5 plus 3 equals to 15, and 8, 23. 7 times 2, 7 plus 2 equals to 14, 9, 23. The 5 card has a relationship, centers and centers. Now, is the center of the 8 card the center of the 10 card, or is it talk from it? So that's why I'm here. What I can bring to the table, showing that life existed before this life, that will tell you that death is not the end. I believe that, in fact, that's what I want to believe. That's what I refused. I mean, I don't want to die and never come back. It's like, I'll just enjoy myself to the utmost no matter what, right? I mean, I'm not going to do anything retarded, crazy, totally against the law. Now, what is the law? What is the created law of man? What is the created law of nature? This is what this video was supposed to be about when I first began. It's just like here. Look what's on my clock. 11:23. The 23rd hour is 11. So there's all kinds of things that will tell your mind how to think. Now, science and nature is where the creator put on this planet purposely. Purposely. Now, if this was a recreated planet through our own intelligence, there can be the creator and then the sub-creators who say, I got the right to own my own planet. What will I do with it? There's certain laws that the first creator will not let me do, like playing a video game. I can try this, and this. Not everything's going to work because the first creator oversees all other creations. It's very complicated to explain. But in the nature, who put marijuana on Earth? Who created the seeds? I believe that with science is great, but the pharmaceutical corruption in science is not so good. They take chances without telling us, and it's all because of something that's stronger that people believe in: money. Money more than a tool of transaction. I'm looking at this. You can see the why. Can you see the way it's? How can I show this? You see this? The X that's inside of here, the Y that's inside of here. Here's your Y. Drag a line continuous this way. It becomes an offset X. It also becomes what's unfinished as this square because of the angle, and the edge of the card can actually be a rooftop by drawing just trying to see how to draw this line. Just drew a couple of lines, becomes the rooftop. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus.